Hi guys! One of the directives of the whole food plant-based nutritarian lifestyle is to eat a big salad every day. But it's almost impossible to find any dressings that are SOS free, that is, salt, oil, and sugar free. So now we're making our own dressings. This is where it can get a little complicated and some of us get stuck. Some dressings require more than 10 ingredients and a high-powered blender. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 easy, SOS-free, go-to salad dressings that don't require a high-powered blender, and they happen to be my family's favorites. And now, dressing number 1. Easy balsamic almond dressing. This recipe comes from Dr. Furman's 10 and 20 version 1, and it's a favorite of mine because it comes together so quickly. First, we want to put 2 tablespoons of water in the bowl, and then add 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. Next, we need some raw almond butter, and we'll add 1 tablespoon. By the way, you can double, triple, or even quadruple any of these recipes. This recipe calls for onion powder, but I really don't like the flavor, so I usually use chopped or minced dried onion. We'll use a ½ teaspoon. Next, we'll need some garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon, some dried oregano. We'll need 1/8 of a teaspoon. To release the flavors from dried herbs, it's a good idea to rub them between your hands and release the oils. And lastly, we need some dried basil, 1/8 of a teaspoon. Give that a good whisk and enjoy this on any type of salad greens with whatever fresh vegetables you want to mix in. Number 2 is the avocado salsa dressing. It doesn't get any easier than this. This dressing has 2 ingredients. As you may have guessed, avocados and salsa. So this is a new thing I found at Costco, avocado chunks in the freezer section, and I thought, oh, that's kind of weird. But you know, when you buy an avocado and you're waiting for it to ripen, or it's just gone past and it's overripe, these avocado chunks are perfect every time you need them, and I've used them in several applications. They're perfect every time. I highly recommend them. So for each serving of this dressing, you want about 1/3 cup of avocado, and they take just about 20 seconds or so to defrost in the microwave. You want to smash those up with a fork. Then you'll need some low-sodium salsa, and you want equal parts salsa to avocado. So, for a single serving, about 1/3 cup. Just mix that up with your fork, and you're done. It's even more delicious with a squeeze of lime. This dressing is good because it has the fat from the avocado in it, and that helps you absorb the nutrients from the greens in your salad. Now you can put this over any type of greens, but it's particularly good with a salad that has black beans and corn added to it. Dressing number 3, lightning fast dressing. I got the idea for this salad dressing from Sherry at thewateringmouth.com, but there's an additional ingredient that my sister-in-law Rhonda turned me on to. She puts hummus in all of her salads, so I tried that with this dressing, and it makes it really delicious. Now the reason I call it lightning fast dressing is because it comes together so quickly, but it also helps me remember what ingredients I need. L is for lemon, H for hummus, T for tahini, and N for nooch, the nickname for nutritional yeast. This dressing is so delicious, it makes you hate to see the bottom of your salad bowl. It's 4 parts lemon to 3 parts hummus to 2 parts tahini and 1 part nutritional yeast. So for 1 serving, you would use a tablespoon plus a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. This is homemade hummus, but you could certainly buy store-bought hummus. Just watch the amount of oil and salt that may be in it, and any flavor hummus will do. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of homemade hummus. Tahini, or sesame seed paste, is the next ingredient. Again, you can make your own at home, and if you purchase it, just make sure that the only ingredient is sesame seeds. Try to get it without anything added. I'm adding 2 teaspoons here. And the last ingredient is nutritional yeast. Typically there are 2 types in the stores. It should say only nutritional yeast in the ingredient list, and it should not be fortified. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast. Now you just want to give that a good whisk and put that on top of any vegetables, but it makes a great salad dressing. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to make some really easy dressings that your family is going to love. We never get bored of these dressings. And since they only require a bowl and a whisk, cleanup is easy. Do you have any easy dressings that your family likes, or that's very simple to make? Post them in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any suggestions for videos on topics that you'd like to see, let me know. If you liked this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Be sure to click the bell button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. And share it with your friends so they can benefit from the information as well. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. See you next time.